Hey guys, welcome in this new vlog. I hope that all of you are doing right. So it's been quite some time that I haven't recorded a vlog. I initially wanted to do, a lot more vlogs, right? But I've been very busy in the last couple of days and weeks. So I really haven't had the time, to do this. I was really focused on other stuff. But here we are today. I wanted to do a quick vlog, just to show you guys a bit about my trading, what I'm doing right now, and also update you guys on, what are my plans for the future and stuff like that, because I'm really working on big things, which I'm extremely excited about. So today we are the 22nd of February. So we are Tuesday. In terms of the markets, I have just taken a quick look at them in the morning. I've already eaten my breakfast and stuff like that, but I haven't really done my, full detailed preparation for the day. So this is what we will start the day with. So let's go on the market already and do this. But just before that we start, right, don't forget to leave a like under the video, especially if you want more vlogs on the channel. I would really appreciate it. And again, it shows me that you guys like this type of content, and also don't forget to subscribe if it's not already done. So let's go on the markets and let's get ready for the trading day. Alright guys, so as always, checking first of all Forex Live and Twitter. The idea is to stay updated with fundamentals and trying to see if there's not something important that happened. Forex Factory for the events, and then I will put up the currency map at the top, right? And after that, we just go through the charts one by one. The idea is to see if there's not a trade that I want to catch, or if there's not a position that I want to manage. Alright guys, so I'm done with my prep. So overall, things are pretty slow this morning because I think that everyone is still waiting to see what happens between Russia and Ukraine. So this is really the main focus for the markets, and it's obviously the same thing for me. So overall, my positions are running pretty smoothly right now. I have 4 trades open. I have a trade on corn, soybean, natural gas, and platinum. So these are the 4 trades that I have. And overall, they are, looking pretty well, right? So we'll have to wait and see how they develop. For natural gas and platinum, they are around break even. And for corn and soybean, these are really the big winners so far for the year. They are going up very nicely. The trades are running pretty well. So yeah, that's the idea. Also guys, I have to address this. So if you follow me on Instagram, which is the case for most of you guys, you probably saw this story right here that I posted, right? So a lot of people, have asked me, oh, Anthony, what is this, right? Is this a new house or anything like that, right? And, for the moment, I'm not going to say too much about this, right? It was just a little hint, but I posted that just to show you guys that there is something pretty big that is coming in my personal life, but it will also impact, as I said, the content that I will be able to make. And I'm really excited about this. I think it will be just amazing. Not a lot of people have actually guessed it right. So, we'll have to wait and see. If you have some ideas, you can put them in the comment section below. But all I'm going to say for now is that it's going to happen in the next couple of months, so more towards summer, and it will be really amazing. I am just so excited for this. It's the biggest move of the year for me, and I just think it will be crazy, what will happen after this. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. But for now, we have to stay patient because it's still a few months out. But I'm going to do a lot of videos and produce content, as I said, relative to this, so you guys will be able to see when the times come, what's it's all about. So this is one of the reasons why I've been really busy in the last couple of days and weeks, and this will also keep me really busy for the next couple of months. Now, the other thing as well that I've been working on very intensively is to improve every single part possible in our coaching program, right? So since the beginning of the year, what have I done? I've worked on the website, right? So there is a new website. We are currently changing platform for the trading group. So previously it was on Facebook. We are moving over to Discord. I think it will be much better. So we're changing the trading group. I've updated a lot of videos inside of the course in itself, right? Simply because I wanted to give them a fresh look. I wanted them to be even more precise and stuff like that. I've created a new feature as well for the program to help even more members. So I've been really focused on just working on, you know, the program in itself and trying to help as best as I can our members to actually succeed. Because honestly, guys, like this is really my top priority this year, along with, of course, managing my own portfolio, right? But of course, you know, that is really my priority, right? To help our members and to make sure that every single student has, you know, the possibility, right, and can do everything that he wants to actually, you know, reach success, right? And so that's really my goal. That's really what I'm working on. And that's what I'm always thinking about, right? Like, how can I help even more our members to get the results that they want? Because I really care about their success and I like to see people, you know, having success, right? A lot of people do, right? A lot of people are doing amazing, but I want to push this even more to the next level. I want to help even more people, right? Because I know how valuable our program is. I know how amazing it is if you actually, you know, follow it and if you take it seriously. And so I just want to keep talking about it, right? Keep showing you guys what I'm doing with this, right? Simply to motivate you guys to actually get started, because I'm telling you, this will be your best move of 2022 by far. So I'm sure that a lot of you guys actually wanted to see the trades that I have, which I talked about earlier in the video. So let me just quickly show you guys how they are going. So the first one that we have here is corn, right? So I got in the trade just right here. So this is where I bought corn. It was in October of 2021. But, you know, since the trade is still running, I consider this to be a trade of this year because I look at when the trade closes, since it's that moment that it has an impact on my trading account. So I bought corn right here. And as you guys can see, the trade is running very, very well. Today, we are getting actually a pretty nice breakout. So the trade is running in pretty big profit. So we have this one. Then after that, let's move to the second one. So the other trade is soybean. So soybean is a very similar trade than corn in the sense that I bought soybean right here. So this was in November of 2021. And again, the trade is also still running. As you guys can see, it's in a very nice profit. If we measure this move, we will see that it's a, well, 28% gain so far. So this trade is looking very well. Then after that, natural gas. This one is more around break even. Actually, I will have to move my stop loss under this low today. So I will do this right after finishing this video. But basically, this trade is around break even. I got in the trade around these levels right here. So we will see how this develops. This can either take off from here or it can completely reverse and go back down. So we will have to wait and see for this. And then I took a new trade at the end of last week. So I got this breakout right here on platinum. I'm not going to do the full analysis because it's going to take a bit of time here, but overall, right, it's a pretty nice trade. You guys can already see the technical chart in itself. Nothing too complicated, right, but very simple, very clear as well. So these are the kind of trades that I like. So I got this breakout here. For now, the trade is around break even, but if we are to break out here to the upside, I think that the move could actually be pretty big and the risk reward is really, really nice. And as you guys saw, right, I don't have that many trades, and that's perfectly normal, right? I always prefer to go with quality over quantity, right? And that's exactly what I teach in our mentorship program. And that's really the reason why I've been so consistent in my trading, right? I really focus on only taking the highest probability trade setups possible, right? And I avoid all the rest. And that's really the reason why, you know, in the last couple of years, I've really been profitable every single year, and that it's still going amazing for me, right? So that's really the idea, and that's really, really important to understand. So yeah, guys, this was just a small vlog. I wanted to update you guys a bit about my trading, what I'm doing in my life, and I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing what is to come in the next couple of months. We will have to be a bit patient because we still have a few months to wait, but it will be just crazy. I will drop a few more hints here and there on Instagram and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I think you guys will also absolutely love this, and I'm just so excited. The year is already going very, very well for me, and I think it will just get better and better because that's always our goal, right? So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can leave a like on it. Feel free to share it around as well. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.